Hello, my name is Lauren, and I can't remain silent anymore. I'm now 57 years old, and I'm tired of constant discrimination. It all started when I was 25. At that time, I was still young and full of hope. The first time, I was fired from my job as an actress because of my height. I have always been a tall person, but I couldn't imagine that my height might be a problem. I told myself that I was still young and everything was still ahead. The next time it happened when I was 40. I lost my job because of my gender. I soothed myself at that time as well. The last time it happened yesterday. I was made redundant from my job because I'm too old. And this work could be done better by a young male than by a female in her late 50s. I can't stand it anymore. We need to put an end to discrimination.
According to the dictionary, discrimination can be defined as an action when you are not treated the same way somebody else is, because of your gender, age, race, or any other reason. As we all know, discrimination is not a good thing. But how can we talk about it? Here are some words and phrases that can help us. Discrimination, дискриминация. Tease, дразнить. Placement agency, агентство по трудоустройству. Highly qualified, высококвалифицированный. Tomboy, сорванец. Hurt, ранить. Reluctant, неохотный. Except, кроме. Share, делить, разделять. Half, половина. Illegal, незаконный. Rights, права. Employment, трудоустройство. Education, образование. Provide, обеспечивать. Counseling service, консультационная служба. Guest speakers, приглашенный лектор. Bully, издеваться, грубо обращаться. Responsibility, обязанность, ответственность.